What if I told you guys these 3 crazy side hustles can make you money as a student? Okay bro, why did I just sound like a YouTube guru? But seriously, these side hustles are turning my broke ass life around, and I'm still doing them as of today, being a full-time university student. Okay. And don't worry, I'm gonna be strictly honest with you guys, just because I've been in your boat before. I've done the 25 cent per hour surveys, wasted my time. I researched on YouTube how to make money online.
Why isn't this working?
I'm actually gonna cry, bro. Okay. Let's get into these broke clubs, J's, side hustles, you feel me? The first side hustle we're gonna go through is reselling. Reselling is a business activity where you buy products from a supplier or retailer and then sell them to other customers at a higher price.
Are you sure these are real, bro?
Yes, dude, I'm a top-notch sneaker authenticator. I went to Jujutsu High for sneaker authentication development.
Essentially, you're acting as a middleman between the original seller and the final buyer. For example, you might buy a pair of shoes on sale for $120, and then you resell them online for $150. After deducting any fees like shipping or platform fees, the remaining amount is the profit you made. Did I just define drop shipping for you guys? Oh my gosh. Bro, do I even know what I'm talking about?
No.
Now, let me explain on how I do it. I basically do it the physical way, the hands-on way. I'll go through Facebook Marketplace and search up shoes that are super hot right now and that people think that are very fashionable and that are trending. After I found my dookie ass kicks, I'll meet up with the buyer and claim my shoes.
Bro, why are we meeting at the park at 12 in the morning? You do some crazy shit, I will literally put you into my domain expansion.
Shut the hell up and run me my money.
Depending if the shoe is crazy or not, the shoe will be out of my hands in less than a week, but it could take some time, so be patient and let Facebook Market start cooking. You don't have to sell shoes. There are so many products out there that you could sell, like clothing, makeup, electronics, furniture, anything you name. And there are also other apps that you could use other than Facebook Market: eBay, Depop, Kijiji, and so forth. With this side hustle, if you use it effectively and to your advantage, you can make around $1,000 to $5,000 a month. And if I pull a number out of my ass, I think I made around $1,600, which isn't a lot, but shit, money is money, you know? Even though that money went to my credit card. Bro, am I even making profit?
No.
Reselling isn't for you. Don't worry, I've got 2 more side hustles that may be able to help you guys out. The second side hustle that can make you money as a student is online tutoring or in-person tutoring. Whatever works best for you. And I know all of you guys are smart as hell at something. For me, I'm Asian, so I'm good at math.
Come on. Do math.
2 plus 2 is 4. Minus 1, that's 3. Quick maths.
Screw these stereotypes, man.
Quick maths.
Why not teach someone who doesn't know shit about it but is determined to learn and get that Wonder Bread? If you're going through the online route, you can easily just use Zoom, Skype, FaceTime, or any specialized tutoring websites. It can basically be done from anywhere, making it easy to fit your schedule. You can communicate through phone calls, emails, and text messages. Now, if you decide to take the in-person route, you can meet at your dorm, home, library. It allows for direct face-to-face communication, which for some find more effective. It helps the person you're tutoring build confidence, become the best of the best in their class, and improve their understanding on the subject, rather than them hearing their teacher yap in a lecture while you're just trying to rewatch JJK. After all this, you can be making around $1,200 to $1,800 a month. I'm tutoring a student right now from my school part-time, and their parents pay me about $25 an hour, which isn't too bad, but you can honestly scale this too. Realistically, you can make $50 to $100 an hour, which is pretty sick. Screw being a nurse at this point. So don't be afraid to be using your damn brain to teach some people something you're freaking good at. Last and probably the best side hustle that you can do as a student is content creation. Don't worry, I know that this is very saturated and very competitive.
I can't take this shit no more, man.
But if you have your own twist and take on this side hustle, it can literally turn your life around, and you can drop out of school for this shit. Please don't drop out of school. Finish school. Social media has been literally at its peak for years, and I don't see it going down. Now that you can make some crazy ass money, you can finally be financially free. Whether if you want to go into the financing and business niche, motivational niche, gaming, educational niche, and so forth, You can finally show your passion across the world. I post YouTube shorts about basketball content. I'm sitting at around 1,800 subscribers right now. It only started about 4 months ago. It honestly takes time, dedication, and motivation, and it always falls through the verge of quitting and giving up.
I can't do this anymore. I quit.
Now, if I'm gonna be real with you guys, I haven't made a penny off YouTube, but right now I know YouTube pays the most out of the other social media apps, especially long term. If you guys end up getting monetized and have a couple thousand viewers, you can make around $2,000 to $3,000 a month. But once you're up there with the GOATs, you can potentially be making 6 figures a year or more. You can really retire your whole family. I truly believe in you guys, so don't give up. You guys believed in me, so I'm gonna have your back on this one. No joke though, these side hustles really helped me pull through in university in general, with paying tuition, books, food, everyday living, just being a student. I wouldn't just cap and lie to you guys without trying these models myself, because I do want every one of you guys to succeed in life. I'm not preying on anyone's downfall here, yo. I hope one of these did catch your interest, but honestly, screw these side hustles. I'm gonna just start an OnlyFans.